We are a smart housing team. I have to say, I was thinking I'm going to be excited, but I'm more than I thought to present this project to you. We found out during our project that on average, every one of us spends 10 hours a day in our home at least. And we believe our project can make these 10 hours a little better. I'm going to show you how smart housing is done today, then we'll show you how we redesigned it and how it can be done in the future. First, let me show you what do we consider smart and not, so you get an idea of how we work. This is a simple solution for a simple problem, smart. But using overloaded Swiss knife, definitely not one. Seatbelt, smart. Walking on the car, no. Using TV screen instead of one piece of printed paper, no. But things get worse. People do really stupid stuff with technology. They tend to overuse it for simple problems. And that's the idea what companies had for 15 years in smart housing. And we think it's not a good way. The smart housing today is every engineer's wet dream. You know, it's like full of electronics, full of technology, but consumer just doesn't like it. And we found what's missing. We took a very different approach. We created something like consumer experience. We created the missing link between technology and people, the integrating factor between them. It's focused on the people around you, your health, the environment, saving money. It's all wrapped up for you if you live in a multi-family house with OIT. We know what technology is needed for this to happen, and we know how much it costs. And this is precisely where most companies stop, but it doesn't work. Instead, we think if we educate our client, our customers, we give them motivation to overcome the problems, and we give them some incentives to work harder, they really can benefit from modern technologies. So that's why we designed notice board downstairs and smartphone application. They use gamification methods to create better experience, to take advantage of the technology. Now imagine you live with OIT and you have your smartphone, which would be your gateway between you and your neighbors, and you and your home. And Thomas will present our demo.
Yeah. Oh, shit. This is my iPhone starting screen, and I have the application here. And it shows me some basic things how I'm doing in living smartly and the ways to get to control everything. But I go to game challenges because I want to get new challenges and learn to be eco-effective that way. And I can find new challenges from there, see what's open, and get more information about certain challenges. So this heating expert challenge is about lowering the temperature in my living room, so I would want to save that one. It will take me to my living room, show me some basic consumption metrics from there, and the easy adjusting things. And when I lower the temperature, I get feedback that it's done, and I see that I can save money by it, and I've set from my profile that I want to save money for a bike, so that's why the bike is shown there. I already saved like a third of bike at the time when I was using this application. And you could actually easily adjust all the rooms from this simple My Home screen, and from these different rooms, access them and adjust them similarly. And I also want to show just solely about how to be a nice neighbor, so I go to community board and see what my neighbors have written on the notice board. There's different kind of messages you can write, and I want to type in own one, do it, type it here, submit it, get the feedback that it's done, and also receive points from that because being a nice neighbor is also part of the game. And I see that it's there, and now my neighbors have a lower barrier to come and tell me that I'm making too much noise in my party next Saturday.
Thanks. Yeah, let's go to the presentation. So you have seen the application, and also we did the notice board downstairs. So instead of looking at this every morning, you could integrate, you could play with this. It's like a touchscreen device. When you're going out of your home, you can check the bus timetable, or you can get offers from local restaurants. If you're coming back from work, check the events on the calendar, see who posted, like the Thomas posted about the party and so on. But why would you change? Well, money is the key always. Just by regular saving, you save up to 10%. But competition is there. Solar panels, they don't get you anywhere close. Heat pumps are even worse to get your money back. But with our solution, we believe you can save 1/3 on your bills every year, which gives you money back in less than 8 years. We also create happy communities.
So next up is visualize it, if you guys want to come set up. And a few questions for our smart lady.
Yeah, and keep in mind, keep your eye on Beach's clock, like 5 minutes is quite short time.
Yeah. So questions, smart lady. Yes.
I have a question about this saving. Like what kind of accounting have you done for your students to know how many money you're saving? Like what is the fee?
Okay, the question is how did we calculate the money? Well, from our research, it shows up that only installing the water meter in your home, just a regular water meter, can save about 15%, just because you know it's there. But we think if we really motivate people to take challenges and they play every day, they get real life feedback all the time. We estimated it's up to 30%, and on average people spend 1,200 to 1,800 for a two-person family in Finland, depending on how they keep their homes. So with more or less 2,000 euros for implementation of our system, the money gets back in 7 years.
What has been the response from people?
They really liked it, and they said actually that if we, of course they have to punch it a little bit, punch the idea, but they're considering doing the experiment with one house, with one block of houses, and maybe they'll implement the idea. They're really positive.
One more question.
Well, of course, it's not free. Buying home with free debt is like, you know, several 100,000 euros. But yeah, it's for everyone. Of course, if you get a free debt, yeah, you can scan our t-shirts and check the demo yourself on your smartphone if you have it. See if you like it, have it.
Good. Thanks, guys.